Kung stressed ka, anxious, worried, kahit minsan depressed dahil wala kang pera, may health issues ka, may relationship problems ka, whatever it is, my friend, this message is for you. Jesus himself gave the answer, and it's not try harder. He said something radical. Ang sabi niya, do not worry. And he told us exactly how. Matthew 6:25-26 sabi, do not worry. Your Father knows what you need. Jesus didn't say, don't worry, para pagalitan ka. Sinabi niya yon kasi may provision na si Papa God for you. Worry drains you, but His Word fills you. Kaya sabi ni Paul sa Philippians 4:8, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is lovely, think of these things. Yung think dito sa Greek ay logizomai. Ibig sabihin yan, to focus, to meditate, to fill your mind on purpose. Meaning, you don't fight worry with strength. You replace it with truth. You don't fight anxiety with willpower. You flood your mind with God's word. Whatever fills your mind will fill your life. When you meditate on what's good, true, and lovely, peace flows, joy rises, hope returns, strength rebuilds. So today, my friend, stop feeding your fears and start feeding your faith. Declare this with me. I choose God's word over worry. Comment mo dyan, my friend. Peace is mine. Like, subscribe, and share para maabot natin lahat ng stressed, anxious, at pagod na sa buhay and lead them to Jesus, the Prince of Peace. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.